This is the project truck I was telling you all about. A little rough around the edges, but this is a 1967 Chevy Suburban, 3-door, 2 doors on this side, 1 door on this side. And when I say she's rough, I mean she's a, well, I mean you can see she's a bit rough. But this is one where I'm going to be making some videos of us going through and restoring this bad beast of a machine. And we're going to make this into, hopefully my end goal is to make this into my daily driver. Now, I don't know how well that's going to work or what that all entails. But we're going to go and make videos of this. So if you guys want to see a lot of the videos or just kind of more of like the end result videos, leave something in the comments. Let me know what you guys want to see. But I'll definitely put something up there for you. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. See, it's so cold out here. I'm stuttering. See, that's when you know it's South Dakota, is when it hurts to breathe. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Bye.